Hello, my name is Eldridge John D. Guzman, and today we're gonna talk about how to use the remainder theorem. The remainder theorem is used if you want to find a remainder of a polynomial function, but don't want to use synthetic division or long division. Technically, it's a shortcut to find the remainder. Okay, here we have an example. Find the remainder of a polynomial function 2x squared minus 2x plus 4 divided by x minus 1. So first, we have to solve the x of our divisor. Our divisor is this one. This is the dividend. So we solve this. So we can find a value to replace all the x here. So we write it down. So x minus 1 is equals to 0. We transpose negative 1 to the other side, so it turns into x equals 1. Now, you may be asking, why is it 1 and not negative 1? Well, if you transpose a number, it changes its sign. So, from negative, it will turn into positive. If this is a positive and you transpose it here, it will turn into a negative. So, since this is a negative and we transpose the number to the other side, it will turn into a positive. So, we have positive 1. After that, we replace, this is our new value. So, we replace all the x you can see here with 1. So, 2 times 1 square minus 2 times 1 plus 4. We follow BOMDAS or PEMDAS when we solve this. So, first, we solve this, the exponents. So, 1 square or 1 times 1 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Now, don't get confused, okay? This is not 1 times 2. Like the little 2 you see on top, that is what you call an exponent. That does not mean you have to times 1 to 2. Yeah, the exponent shows like how many times we have to times the number. Yes. So 1 time it says 2, so we have to times 1 2 times. So 1 times 1 is 1. And then times 2, which is the number outside, is 2. After that, negative 2 times 1, that is negative 2. So plus 4, we don't have to do anything with plus 4 yet, so we just bring it down. After that, we follow the PEMDAS way or the BOMDAS way. We first have to add everything before we subtract. So 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. So, the remainder of our polynomial function 2x squared minus 2x plus 4 divided by x minus 1 is 4. If you do not understand, we have another example ready for us. Okay, example number 2. Find the remainder of px minus 2. No. Find the remainder of x squared plus 29x minus 10 divided by x minus 2. Okay, we still follow the ways we did in example 1. We solve the divisor. We solve the x of our divisor. So, x minus 2 equals 0. We transpose that. That will turn into x equals 2. After that, we replace all the values of our x of our here into 2. So 2 square plus 29 times 2 minus 10. That is the new thing we have. So we follow PEMDAS and BOMDAS still. So 2 square is 4. 29 times 2 is 58. And minus 10 is still minus 10. We don't do something yet to this. So follow PEMDAS or BOMDAS, we have to add everything before we subtract. So 58 plus 4, that is 62. 62 minus 10, it's 52. So the remainder of px equals x squared plus 29x minus 10 divided by x minus 2 is 52. Okay, on to example number 3. Find the remainder of our polynomial function 5x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x plus 12 divided by 3x minus 9. Okay, we still follow the ways of what we did in example number 1 and 2. So, we first solve the x in our divisor, which is 3x minus 9. 3x minus 9, we transpose the negative 9 to the other side as always, and then that will turn into 3x equals 9. And if this is the final answer, it is not, because we still have 3 here. It must be only x, not 3. Not 3x. It must only be x. So what do? We divide both sides by 3. 3x divided by 3, that is x. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. So if you're wondering, like, do we have to always divide it by 3? Well, not always. It just depends on like what is the number we see here. For an example, if this is 4, we will divide both sides by 4. If that is 5x, we divide both sides by 5x. So, yes. So now we have the value of our x. After that, we solve, no, we replace all the x here with our new value, which is 3. So now we have 5 times 3 cube plus 2 times 3 square minus 3 times 3 plus 12. We follow BOMDAS or PEMDAS, which is first we solve the exponents. 3 square is 27, and 27 times 5, wait. 27 times 5. Oh no! I made an error. I am very sorry. So let's solve this together. 135. 135. And then 3 square is 9. 9 times 2, what? Is 18. And then 3 times negative 3 times 3 is negative 9 plus 12. Okay, first we have to add everything before we minus, as I said earlier. So 135 plus 12 is 5 plus 2 is 7, 4, 147. And since both of these have the same signs, we will also add both of them. So negative 18 plus negative 9, that is negative 27. So 147 minus 27 is 120. So the remainder of our polynomial function 5x cubed plus 2x squared minus 3x plus 12 divided by 3x minus y, 9 is 120. And that is all. I hope you understand the video, which I know you don't understand anything at all, helps you. And that is all. Ignore the huge watermark you see on the screen.